Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're working on the D21 hardbody. I know we've been working on this truck a lot. I'm just really pushing to get it done because this is the main build for the channel for the time being. And my birthday's coming up, and I really want to have this truck done for my birthday and be able to do a birthday burnout in it, obviously, and do some track content in it and stuff like that. So a lot of people said that it took me too long to work on that Accord and build that Accord and not have no track content or anything going on with it, and it was a garage queen or king or whatever, you know, just set more than we did anything with it, which was true, but not no more. We're making moves on this. So right now what I got to do is I got to bolt the hood up, and we got to cut and drill and screw and do a few things, because as you guys know, we did cut the upper core support off this thing to get the engine out, and because weight reduction. So now we have no way to latch the hood down, but I have a solution for that, and that's what we're going to do in this. So we're going to do some JDM old school hood pins on this thing. It's going to look good. It's going to match the whole theme of this truck, and things will make sense to you guys once we get more into the body portion of this truck, where we're going to be doing some body work and paint on this thing. And you guys already know we got the hammer, so that's already that 90s 2000s era of the mini truck things, you know. So this is just going to add to it, and the paint job I have in mind is going to add to it as well. So put you guys up on the tripod and get this hood bolted on, and then we'll move forward from there. Alright guys, so I am just one person, so I'll try this best that I can on my own. I'll go ahead and lift the hood up, and I think I'm going to try and make use of the hood latch, or hook drop. See if that would help balance it. But get a couple screws in here. Let's see if I can make it. No, it needs to go down more. Oh, I was gonna say, why isn't it going down? There we go. All right. I think we got this. I think we got this, y'all. There's one. And then there's two. Now, nope, keep on. To the other side now. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be, that's for sure. And screws over this way. Good up. Oh yeah. Now we have some shade. The sun was just out heavy, but it went away. I ain't mad. It was hot. Oh, never mind. I lied. It's back. Alright. That is good. Take this off. Down. It's almost set weird. I don't think anything's in the way that I know of, at least. Even with the old hood that was on the truck, kind of set weird. I don't like that. Let's try to get this real. Let's see how it lines up. Yeah, it's definitely off. This here's hot. Man, I don't know if it's hitting on anything. I don't think it is. I think it's just the hood is bent. No, let's move on. Yes, and right here we have a very old school, generic style hood pin. I mean, nothing fancy. I was gonna do like the kinds that I had on the Accord with the whole latch and everything, but I think this here with the regular plates and bolts and then the little rope or cable that goes to the latch and everything, I think that fits the era and style of the truck. So that's what we're gonna do. So, and pretty simple. What I'm gonna do is where the bump stops usually would go, this is gonna go through that. We'll drill a hole right there and put the plates on and all that and go from there. So let's put the hood back up, put the hood prop up, and see where it's all gonna line up. Well, probably what you'll do is drop the stud down in there, put the 2 nuts on it, tighten it up, and that will kind of tell me where we need to drill at and make our holes. So let's get to it. Hood back up, bang bang. Right here's what I was talking about. So go ahead and get, I want to put 1 nut on there first, so we'll run that down as far as we can get it, just so we can drop it down. We can always adjust it later, you know. I don't know how high I'm gonna need it. Okay. And then the other one will go on the bottom side of it and kind of lock it in place. So I wish it came with washers. Yeah, let me see if I have any washers, because I would prefer to have washers there, so it won't be sloppy. So let me see if I have any washers. Okay, so I don't have any washers, but that's fine. We can always get some later. It ain't gonna affect what we have to do at the moment. So go ahead and tighten that bottom up. Run her all the way up. Can't no more. Get up there. Okay. So there's one. Now let's do the other side as well. Alright, so those are in. And right here is pretty much going to be where it should land, where the bump stop originally would hit. So there and there. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to just lay the hood down and see where it makes contact. Might be for this too. Kind of just in the way. Any markings. Yep. Alright, so right here there's a little indent, and right here is an indent. So I'm just gonna drill through that and see how she fits. And you guys already know we're gonna be using that Milwaukee with a 1/2 inch bit. Now we just gotta adjust the height. Do that. To do so, we gotta do is loosen the bottom up. just a tad bit more. Just have this plate over it, and then your pin. Honestly, I can go a little lower. Go a little lower, and do the other side. Gotta go higher on this side now, or yeah, we gotta go lower now on this side. I'm gonna get everything figured out and we'll do that. Alright guys, so hood pins are on where they're gonna be. They're adjusted so the hood is nice and snug. Kinda gotta get pushed down to get the pins on there so there's tension on it, which is what you want. So obviously, you know, we have these plates that need to be put on as well. And also we have these that will go to this, you know. So, and this is the hardware they give you right here, just 8 little screws. So for these plates here, I'm not sure how this works, you know. I'm sure like it goes from here, you know, like right into that. The other side, I guess you bolt down somewhere. I'm not sure where, probably somewhere on the hood, I'm assuming. I don't know. I gotta look at some pictures and I'll figure it out. But as you guys know, I said we're gonna be painting the truck, so I'm not putting these metal plates on. I'm not gonna make the holes for these just because I want to rivet those on. Don't want to put rivets in and take rivets out. So after we paint it, I think I can just put tape over it, drill the hole for the rivets, and it'll be fine at that point. So but I did want to do the hood pins in at least because I had nothing to hold the hood down, and when we go to test drive this thing here soon, I need the hood down because we're going to be test driving the truck and driving it before we even paint it. So that was something we needed to do. But I want to figure out where to put the latch, the leash, I guess you can call it for them. How to, like, ideas or something to what to do with that. So we'll be back. Okay, so I think I got it figured out how I'm going to do it. Take this off here. Grab these, open it up, push it through here. Shouldn't be too hard, hopefully. Maybe. Come on, you're almost there. Get in there. There we go. Alright, start one. Do the other one as well. I've never used these hood pins like this with the latch or with the leash or whatever you want to call it, a cable. I've always used the other ones like I had on the Accord with the latch that comes up, you know, not hood pins, hood latches, I guess they will call those ones. So let's get this puppy moved. Come on, you can do it. Around your neck got quick. Oh, do your chain hang low. How I'm gonna do it is can be, say that's latched in, you know, we still got to tighten everything, and we just wanted to come in somehow, you know, through the grill. Right there sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and put it on that. Further one, less hang up. Yeah. Boom. Do the same over here. Put down. Something like that, you know. Actually, let's put the grill back on there and see how everything works together. Excuse me, y'all. storm brewing. I tell you what. About to pour. Weight reduction. Come on, get in. Okay. Come on up. Now, pull that for your leg. Like that. Okay. Cool. Now let's put these plates back on here. Oh yeah. Now we have a race car. Come on. What y'all think? That one looks like it got a lot more slack in today. No. They're in the same location, so it's all good, I guess. Nothing I can do about it. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look, y'all. What you think? I think it looks good. It gives it that, you know, old school mini truck vibe, right? What y'all think? Old school mini truck vibes or not? I think it looks pretty dope. This truck looks dope. I mean, come on. Sheesh. Definitely wish the whole truck was that silver right there. Oh yeah. Or even white. Even clean red. Don't matter. These trucks are beautiful. Like with the hammers on there. And then the grill cut out. The headlights. The lip. The intercooler. The pins. The 4x4 fenders. Mwah. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. I know this was something simple, but I needed to get a video out. This is something I needed to get done so we can be ready for the next step when you go drive it. Currently, I have the MAF sensor off of the engine, and Kennedy took it to a buddy of his that can weld. So they're getting that all welded up. So when he gets back with that, we can slap it back on, connect the intercooler piping, and put the alternator on, the boost gauge, stuff like that. The last couple things, guys, and we can actually go drive this thing. I say 2 more videos of buttoning it up after this one, and she should be good to go. Oh yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited, y'all. So, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel and having post notifications turned on so you guys don't miss an upload. So there's a lot of stuff to come on this car or truck when this is done, and we have something else in the works too. Enjoy this right now. So beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace out, and God bless.